Hey guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is yet another iPhone 12 Pro Max video. So if you just got your iPhone 12 Pro Max, you really want to install a glass screen protector. Even though Apple claims that the display is made of ceramic shield and it should be 4 times stronger than the previous display, prevention is always better than cure. So you want to put a glass screen protector to give you extra protection to your screen. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Spigen EZ Fit glass screen protector. It's one of the easiest and simplest you can get in the market, and it would just take you about 10 minutes. Before we get into the video, if you've not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button below and also click the bell button to get notifications when I post new videos. Now let's get into the video. So the good thing about the Spigen EZ Fit is that it comes in a pack of 2 and costs about $12, so you have an extra in case you break one. In the box, you get 2 plastic trays that helps you align the screen protector properly onto your phone. You also get a rubber tool called squeegee for removing any bubbles that are left. There are 2 alcohol wipes for cleaning the screen, and you also get stickers, and finally you get a microfiber cloth. So first we need to wipe down the screen to remove any dirt. You should clean all over the screen a couple of times, and for the last time you want to clean the screen in one direction to get an even pattern. Next, we're going to use the sticker to remove any dust particle that's left. What you want to do is fold the sticker into 2 and kind of use this to dab all over the screen, but you want to do this quickly not to allow more dust to settle. There is a bigger sticker and you can use this to cover more surface area while dabbing. Once you're done with that, you will need to remove the protective film covering the screen protector attached to the tray. Just pull on the pull tab label back to remove the plastic and place the tray directly over your phone, and it should align properly. After placing the tray onto your phone, the next step would be to press and slide your finger across the orange sticker multiple times and wait about 30 seconds. While waiting, you can decide to sing a little song or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. I'll really appreciate that. Once you're done, just pull back the black part of the sticker to completely remove it, and now you can remove the tray. Now you can take the squeegee tool and remove any air bubbles that might be left under the screen protector. Once you're satisfied with this, you need to remove the last protective film covering the glass, and now you have completely installed the screen protector by yourself. So guys, that's all for the installation. I highly recommend the Spigen EZ Fit, so I'm going to put a link in the description where you can buy this. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, drop some comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I am Mastercard. Peace.